Marami din.
Ano, KFC? Oo, may Tim Hortons pala. Cheesecake Factory meron namin. Ano?
Paglinis. Natatay ka na. Tapos ayaw pa makisama ng Grab. Napapaganon siya sa kate.
Nararamdaman mo na yung mga sintomas kapag naiinita ka na yung... Alam mo yun? Hindi mo ito nakangati kanina.
Umatras na yung tayo mo sa inis sa Grab.
Ay, ganun na talaga.
Napakagulo ng mga mall dito. Anto ka na? Ba't ka nagkakamot ng mata? Central.
Nagkaroon ko ng collaboration with Uniqlo.
Oh,
Parang pati mo din yan.
Tara. Dali. Exit. Ay, woo.
Gumagalaw kasi yung bilog.
Ang mga locals dumaan sa napakaliit. Ito namang local na to kung saan ako din nakadala. Look, ma'am, oh. Ang kanilang sidewalk is may indent. Tawag dito. Saan nakababayan siya? Para sa drain diretso. The locals are nearing their destination. Locals? Si Maha. Where's the 7-Eleven? Because as locals, we need our stuff. Hi, Mom. So, we aren't very much struggling. Not much. Because we have our maps.
Nadadaanan natin, hindi ito nadadaanan masyado ng mga tourist feeling.
Oo. Yung kanina, no? Yun talaga. Tuk-tuk. Mas maganda sana yan, 0.5 eh. Tuk-tuk.
Purely keep ano dito left kasi ito nga nasa right.
Oo nga. Want some drink? Para hindi na tayo mag 7-Eleven.
Parang wala ko tiwala din.
Oo nga eh. Oh. May dos tres pala dito eh. Ah, dito talaga tayo? Apo, apo. Nadaanan natin to kanina. Tulog ka.
Ay, oh.
Oo. Papunta kay JP. JP Water, Happy J. Kanabang ka? Kanabang ka? Te, kanabang ka? Kinabahan ka?
Ano, nadaanan na natin.
Huy! Kailangan natin makita yung buko na yun.
May pang 7-Eleven.
Tatawid ang mga locals. Ako muna.
Go, go, go.
Para kita-kita.
Go.
So tiring.
Ha?
So tiring naman this.
True.
Wow, the traffic.
Looking at your right side, you will see the traffic. And on your left, traffic again.
Where are we? Here?
Tayo sa may Mayfair, Prato lang. Sa may Longos.
So ayun guys. We've been walking for like a few minutes now. And 6% na lang yung phone na merong Google Maps. So pag hindi kami nakauwi in like an hour, we don't know where we are. We don't know who to call. Do they have Ghostbusters here? Oo, girl, tama.
So, picture ah.
Ang cute no? Very authentic. Ah, matigas no? Sayang Paragon. Ay, oo. Parang ano to girl, parang authentic ano, yung
Gusto ko pang ginawa natin ngayon.
yung dinadaanan talaga siya ng people.
May school?
Yeah. Puro ano, students. Wow.
Oh, okay. I'll taste it.
Mm. 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 Sweet.
Can we buy 4? 4?
Yeah.
Kala ko ba isa lang? Lang for.
And yeah, 10. So what? So one G. 4, 10 baht.
Yes.
Oh, 4 for 10 baht.
Ah, 4. 4, 10 baht.
Yes.
Ah,
And
okay.
so 1, 2.
Okay.
So one
Only
G.
10 baht.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Looks yummy.
Only give us 3 because you already gave
Oh,
us
maybe
1.
right. Okay.
Aw, thank you.
I know. No.
Wow.
Thank you.
You're so
Thank
kind.
you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
ขอบคุณครับ
almost means I feel like I'm a sellout. I'm not doing the purest thing. But every time I do that,
Me as a tribe.
I'm just following the
Birthday
trend because boneless wings have
Let's show them.
outsold traditional wings at Buffalo Wild
This
Wings
is
for the
the
past 5 years.
Birthday cake chip in 7-Eleven.
These are good.
It's sweet.
Yeah. But the thing is, it's not a wing at all. It's just a piece of a breast. It's an elongated chicken.
Crab curry.
I mean,
Flavored chips.
that issue you have with both, though, equally, so it cancels each other out. That's true, right? Thank you. Now, these are,
Hindi siya manghang.
they have a lot more of that wet sauce.
Napunta lang na Thailand, di na marunong magbilang.
Ito rin yung video. Dali.
We survived.
Night market.
Night market fit.
Sobrang out. Yep. Ano daw? Dinala ko lang kita. Okay lang. What's that? Eggplant? Oh, cute!
Yun yung nilalagay mo sa
Para makita kita eh. Sugar cane? Yung sausage, oo. Try natin, oo. Let's try. And here, how's your buka juice? Ayun na sakto. Oh. Sundan natin si ate.
gusto mo yun eh, no?
Oo. Ano ba yan?
Bibit lang ako once you start.
Ay! Potato rings!
Ayaw ka na ng hawak yan.
Bakit?
They will not in the beehive. They fly outside around the garden and then they collect the flowers nectar. But evening they will fly back to the beehive. Right? Over there we have the this species of the bee we call the European honeybee.
European.
In one box like that, over there we will see 7 or 8 or 9 honeycomb in the one box, but we only have one queen. Only one queen bee in the honeycomb, right? We saw a lot of the bee in here. This is the worker bee, not queen. Queen is the body. Her body is longer than the other, and then her body is bigger than the other. This is the queen. She will be the queen, right? So he will call you. Moment. I'm looking for the queen. Because the worker bee will stay. Be careful. Be careful. That the longer body. She moving, and then she will drop down the body. Then she will lay egg in the honeycomb every day. Right? Every day. And then from this species of the bee, we can collect a lot of the honey, bee pollen. Your honey. After we go inside, and then we will take the honey water. Right? This is no sugar. Even for diabetics, people can take. This is the second product. This is royal jelly. Because we saw the queen, but this is her food. She will take this royal jelly in the honeycomb every day. But if we want to collect the honey, if we see the honey all full with the honey and then closing with the beeswax, when we collect the honey, we will make the honeycomb, put in here, put in.
Paano ulit yung ngiti mo? Ang arte. Para kang anak ni Emma. Anak ka ba ni Emma?
Yes.
Laki yun, 70 baht lang to. Buti hindi tayo bumili nung ano.
Oo, yung 130 pa no.
Wait lang, di ba tapos? Ano, nagsisisi ka na. Ano? Sabi ko sa'yo, ang sarap nito eh. Ang card. Nakaka-stress.
Everything so young. Parang gawa lang ni Mami.
Does it live up to your expectations, no?
It does. Kasi expected naman na ganun nga lang yung lasa.
Hindi.
Luto lang ni Mami. Naluto na ni Mami yan.
Ay, oh.
Is it rolling?
What's that? Pinya?
Pine apple?
In where? In Thailand.
Sa
Is it
Pinas
good?
hindi nagpipinya, pero dito
How does it taste like? Zesty, juicy? Is it sweet?
sweet. There's no sourness.
Talaga?
Yum.
O, tama na tong video na to kasi makikikagat na ako sa'yo. What's this?
Having some papaya.
Papaya? We don't have this in the Philippines.
What's papaya?
Papaya?
Papaya? Papaya, but in...
Anak papaya.
Is it yum?
Ang tamis.
Wow.
First papaya.
In,
After Europe.
oh,
After UK.
really?
Mas.
ให้ผู้หญิงนี่เราไปชิม You like salt you take salt there
Okay.
Ay, siya na ba?
เดี๋ยวเอานี่ไม่ใช่เอานี่ปาปายา
Papaya, yes.
Magkabana ba? So nagbayad ka na?
Kuha ko ng salt.
ปาปายาเก่าปาปายา
I want some...
One each? Apo.
Ayoko natin yan. Oo, pas one.
no salt why masarap
Mangga.
Papaya.
Mangga.
Okay.
Ayun, magmangga ka.
อันนี้ก่อนนะอ่ะปาปายา
Kaso, iba yung mangga
เอา
niya.
ปาปายาก่อนให้แดดดี้ก่อน
Apple. Look what we got. An assortment of things.
ဒီနေ့ဘယ်လောက်ရလဲဆိုမရေးခဲ့ဘူးလားမသိ